Hi, welcome back. This is a really quick little video to share with you because in this time of the year there's graduations, there's travel that people do. Sometimes you want to leave a thank you gift, and these are quick little book arts projects that you can do, and I did them using graphic 45 paper, but you can use other themed paper. Both of these little books are based on what's called a single sheet of paper book, and this is a small piece of paper for demonstration purposes, but what you do is you fold the piece of paper in half along the longest dimension, and then you open it up and you fold it in half the other way and then fold it back, flip it over and fold it back, and you end up with a piece of paper with 8 panels. The books differ in the way that the panels are cut. So for this little book here, it opens up and it flips like a book, where you can just write little things. This would be cute to send somebody as a thank you gift for letting you stay with them on your vacation or whatever. But this is called a hidden window book because when you open it up, you have this little hidden window and a little surprise. You can even do some things in here with 3D kind of pop-ups. There's all sorts of things online if you search for what's called the hidden window book. But this little one was made by taking that same folded piece of paper but cutting down through the middle, and then when you folded it together and gently pushed to the inside, it folds together like that, and when you pull this one open you cut windows here so you can see what's behind, and that's called a hidden window book. And all I did was, you can see that these two books are different sizes, is I based them on the size of what I needed this panel to be. Once I knew what the size of this panel would be, the width you multiply by 4, the height you multiply by 2, and so you have the width and the height of your paper, and you can cut whatever you need the size of paper to be. So the other little book is called a simple tunnel book. Once again, it opens up. This is for a birthday, I think, for a woman of a certain age. It folds like this, but then this part folds up and you get a little tunnel effect when it's pulled out. I hope that you can see some of that. Once again, same fold. The difference is how you cut it. So this one's pre-cut. It's what some people call the pants cut. You cut all the way through, leaving just the 2 of the side panels together, and then you fold the top up, fold it down, and fold these in, and it just makes a cute little book. Once again, this was based on these ephemera cards that you can get. This is Midnight Masquerade ephemera cards. You can see I use the bigger ones as well as some of the smaller ones for this book, and I just sized it based on that. This book was from the World's Fair paper pack, and in the back it has these various ephemera cards, and that's what I used for the ephemera, and I may have used them all up. Let's see if there's any still in here. I treasure this, there's some graphic 45 paper, and I use it to the very last little bit. So I hope you enjoyed that, and maybe you can find some uses this summer for something that you want a little more than a card, and that you would like to give as a small gift, token of appreciation for a trip, that kind of thing. Have a great day.